Winter is among us, people, and today we are looking at the install on this lovely VW Golf GTI. Now, a car like this has everything you could possibly want. However, it was missing a few key features for our client. So there's a few things we've installed today, but I'll start off with perhaps the most important, in my opinion, in any car, is heated seats. So what we've installed on this car is heated seats on both the front passenger and driver's seat, and it has two levels as well. So obviously you have your off position on the switch, you keep your low position and your high, giving you full control over that warmth. Now, particularly important in weather like this, having those heated seats makes a huge difference to those cold mornings. Now, here at CBS Automotive, we do take the time to do this install properly and correctly. And it takes time and years of experience to get this install done to the highest possible standards. And that involves a multi-step process. First of all, when any car comes into us, we carry out a full inspection of the vehicle, inside and out, so that we can check the vehicle is perfect before we start working. After that, we then start carrying out the install for the heated seats. So that involves removing all of the upholstery on the seats, applying our heated seat pads underneath, and then reapplying the whole upholstery neatly and professionally so that you wouldn't even know it's there. In terms of the button, we work with our clients to find the best location to have that and where they'd like to. And when it comes to the button to control the system, we work with our client to find a location of that which they would prefer and find most convenient. Now, the install on this for the heated seats is not the only thing that we've done. Now, while it is an amazing upgrade and one that is so needed in any car nowadays, we've also enhanced the car that makes this vehicle way easier to park. And the way we've done that is by installing not just a rear camera, but a front camera as well. Now, this is an amazing installation and one that takes real skill, time, and craftsmanship to build and create. But the way it works on this vehicle is that as soon as you go into reverse, you get your image up on the main screen of the car with the image of the rear. And what we've actually managed to include into that is guidelines, but not only guidelines for the width of the vehicle, but moving guidelines to give you an idea of where the car will end up as you turn and steer. Now, this makes parking an absolute doddle, but in a car like this, it's so lovely you wouldn't want to scratch it. And so giving it the full treatment of giving a front camera as well is an absolute no-brainer. On vehicles like this, and even bigger ones like pickup trucks, sometimes seeing over the front of the bonnet is really difficult and hard to judge that distance. By installing a front camera like this, it just gives you that peace of mind and complete ease while you're parking. Now, the rear camera is a small wedge camera in this car that fits just above the number plate and gives a really nice clear image while also maintaining pretty discreet behind there, so you can't really see it unless you're looking for it. And that is just reiterated again so much in the front. So the front camera is a really small discreet one, hidden in the grille. You wouldn't know it's there at all. So if you're interested in having a similar installation done on your vehicle while it's in with us, please let myself or my team know and we'll happily get this all booked in for you. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video on this absolutely beautiful VW Golf GTI. Now, if you're looking to have this similar install done on your car, maybe you have a Golf GTI like this and are finding you're missing out those features, feel free to get in contact with myself and my team and we'll happily get you booked in. So feel free to subscribe and like this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you.